Lighting in this kitchen is bad, but we just separated the tomatoes. These are the soft ones. I'm just cutting them up and putting in a pot so I can boil it and blend, put oil in it. Then store in the freezer for stews and jollof rice. Let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known.
Inside this basin are the strong ones, which I will be putting in the freezer like that. It will last for months. So whenever I want to use it, just take it out, blanch it, and then blend.
In Christmas times.
Finally working on my key starter.
No problem.
You guys, the thing is inside. I have to loosen these things here to get through to it. Alright, so this thing cushion our main road now. How can you walk on it? Yeah, who sharp walk. Can you imagine? I can't wait for that sound to stop, I beg. This is the first mechanic work on Aga. For 1 year and now, I've never had issues. And more myself, I take care of it. Servicing, I need to hold back. Once it just reach, I'll go to. Next year, they make body work. But I call people don't scratch me finish. See the culprits. Which one can okay, this okay, that round thing. So this whole thing now will kickstarter. Okay. Now why the kickstarter to go and work on? He went to Ikoku. Ikoku is the hub of anything cars, trucks, lorries, whatever, anything that has to do with a vehicle. Ikoku is the hub. So you get things imported from different parts of the world. You have direct Belgium that's used. You have new, but most people like to opt for Belgium ones because they are straight out of the factory. Both are straight out of the factory, but Belgium was pre-used by your same car. I don't know how to explain it, but with new, they just do like a generic one that will fit the different vehicles. Yeah. Hope that makes sense. So I'm just here doing nothing, just shower and chill. Nothing much is going on. There's no light. My phone has died. Just sitting down here. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. I forgot to tell you people. Now what? Expenses upon expenses. This adult life, when you want to take a breather, another thing just comes up. I'm happy that I'm in a position where I'm able to afford these things and just sort my issues, so to speak. Thank you, God, for providing. That's all I can say. Talk to you later. Bye. Do you realize that today's date is 21/12/21? I feel like it's a significant date. It's a good day to be alive. I finished taking my battle. I'm just in the house waiting for my mechanic. It's nowhere to be found. Since past 10, past 10, that's when he left to go and get the kickstarter, whatever the word is. It's past 2. Oga has not come back. I called him, he said he's on his way. So, you guys, there's something I saw on Instagram the other day. I was even discussing it with Uche, and it's so painful. I said I was going to talk about it, but I keep forgetting. Today I just remembered. I don't even know what prompted me to remember it. I saw something on Instagram again or something. But yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's the story of someone who borrowed money from somebody else, obviously, and then she couldn't pay back. Then the lady, I think it's her former boss or something, took her child as ransom pending when she pays back the money. Not just the fact that she took the child, which is totally wrong as far as I'm concerned. But what broke my heart the most is the fact that she took this child and stabbed the child. A baby that is below 1. I think that baby was about 5 months. I'm using the word was because now the baby is dead. They even showed a picture of before she took the baby and after she took the baby, what the baby was looking like. The child turned from a healthy looking baby to a very malnourished baby and about to die baby. So my thing is, is it the baby that borrowed the money from you? The way some people think, the way some people do some things is just out of this world. It's just crazy. How would you take an innocent child that did nothing to you just because the mother borrowed money from you? And then you did not just take the child and take care of the child, like feed the child, pending when the mother will come. Let's say, okay, you want to go extreme, you want to be very mean, you want to be very wicked. You took the child. Take care of the child because the child is innocent, for crying out loud. The child doesn't even know what is going on. The child has total trust in you because they look up to you for their feeding and everything. Do you get? You decided that it was okay for you to stab that child. Like, how mean can you get? I read this thing on Instagram. I did not even know when I teared up. Like, children are so innocent. Sometimes when I'm with my friends' kids and they start misbehaving, I even just start laughing. Like, Ivy keeps telling me that I'll be a bad mom. Not a bad mom that like bad mom, but what she means is that I would not know how to discipline my children because when they start throwing tantrums and misbehaving, I'm just looking at them like, what's in your head? Like, what is going on? Right? That's the same type of child that somebody would take and maltreat. Even all these people that take people's children as maids and house help and they start maltreating them. I'm like, where are you coming from? What is in your heart? Like, is your heart made of stone? I'm not surprised at it anymore because I've come to realize that people are just naturally wicked in this world. People are just devils reincarnates in this world. That is just the world we live in. Like, we shouldn't even go there. So now that the baby is dead, money, come out. You will now be jailed for life because obviously she cannot escape the wrath of the law. They have to take her into custody and she has to explain why she did that. Your life is ruined. Your future is done and dusted as far as I'm concerned. Did that she not feel like it will escalate, or she felt like because the girl is working for her, she has no voice? Or she did not think that social media has soldiers that will take it up for her, lawyers that will go pro bono for her? Like, it's just like I'm trying to wrap my head around it, but yeah, I just had to come on here and talk about it. Maybe talking about it to make it make sense because at this point it's not making any sense to me. Children that I give from God, people go through a lot to get one child. Then you will not have the heart to take someone else's own and kill the baby. Whoa, the world is just a mess. The world is just a mess. Oh, I don't know. I don't even know what to attribute this type of wickedness to. Now wow. It's just so sad. It's just so sad. Let me call this guy for my car. Because I needed to go out today, but now I'm just stuck in the house. I don't have money for Uber and Bolt people. Oga Uche, na ebeki no no. This thing has to be sorted today. Okay. Yay, he's back. This is the new one. This is the one they brought out of my car. They're supposed to repair something inside here. Yeah, this thing. So he was saying instead of changing the whole Kickstarter, they can repair this thing. But taking it to Ikoku now, he said They said, he said, they said that this one is so bad that repairing it will be almost the cost of getting another one. So he just brought this other one, told me the price, and I said, okay, it's fine, I can change it. So for repair of this one, they said 15,000, while this new one is 25,000. So it's not better I just get a new one and know that I'm not doing the work anytime soon. Okay. He just left to go and eat. I'll just start editing this vlog so that by the time it's done, I'll test it, and yeah, that's how my day went. You have put it now, Abby. You have put the Kickstarter. Let me start it. Oh my gosh. Sounded so good. People see me. Sounding good. Let's start it again. Yay! I'm happy. My car is good now. Perfect condition. Perfect. Ooh. I'm on Ikilam Sha, but I'm happy. I've been able to do this thing. Next year, I'll just take it for body work and then just paint it and stuff. This thing, to be honest, is not even a big deal because this car hasn't given me any issue. For the past 1 year I've been driving it. September this year made it 1 year. No issues whatsoever. The only thing I've done on this car was servicing. Minus the normal bashing on the road. There's been no mechanical fault at all. So I'm not mad at this one. Yeah. I'm going to end this vlog now. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Subscribe if you haven't and you like me. You like what you see. All right, lovelies. See you tomorrow. Bye.
I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.